All right, welcome. This is Monday morning in the Echotraders trading room, and we have a small disclaimer there to read. It's now 9 a.m. You know what happens at 9 a.m.? There's often a move that'll happen at your 9 a.m. on the future. So we'll go back to your CL in a moment, but right here, this is a ES chart, and the market is desperately looking for a support area. We have support. We're looking at 1994. The market hasn't got down there yet, and 1995 and a quarter. It's just slightly hard to see. It's right here, hidden in the candles. It's not meant to hide in there, but that's where it is. So if support cannot hold, we're just going to show you the next targets down here. I can get a hold of that chart, and they're down around 1987. 1987. And know anybody that was born then? All right. So you have 1992, and that's your nearest confluence number, 1995 and 94 even, and the market is trading below our EMA. So looking for short positions, right? And we had a nice little pullback right up to 2003.5, and they broke that by one tick. The market broke that. So if we get a higher low in here, we'll look for the retest of resistance to the upside. So right now, we're looking for that support area, and the MACD here has indicated look for. All right. My name is Dale Elliott. Okay, here we are on our CL. We said we wanted to take a look. We have a confluence area here, 3832, and on the left, 3836 is what we're looking at on your CL. We know that we'll have trouble up here around 3798 on this here chart, and the confluence is 97. So I have the crosshairs on the 97. The CL is almost up there now. When you look left, we were looking for support down here, and this is a higher low, and we're busted up through our SMA. So let's pop back to your ES chart. That's your targets on the CL on the left, and the ES, it did reach down here to a money off area at 1997, and we were looking to retest the EMA. So the market is now trading above, so the short positions are off the table. Come back here to look at what we had. So the target up here right now is your 2001.75, and if it cannot make it there, the 2001, and you can see in white here, we have this here 2001 area right here. When you look to the far left, that's over here, and the market is retesting that right now. And when we come back, we'll take a look at the YM. So here's this here YM trade we were looking at, and we had mentioned 16,961 here in the room, and the market has just come down to that area. So this here is your confluence areas, and your 17,144. The market has just we'll look for a retest of this maybe later today or tomorrow, but right now market is kind of pushing to that downside. So let's pop over to your ES that we were looking at, and we'll get rid of this here chart here, and this one, and here we go. So the CL on the very left right up into there to that 1798, and I'll put the crosshairs 98, 97, right into there. And the ES is the one that we're concerned with here. And there's our 1994 and beyond. Here our next targets are 1992. The 0.12 rounds off to 00. So we'll look for that. Next is 92 even, and we're almost there. Now we know we'll have a little stumble problem here at 92.75. Markets having trouble there, getting down that extra little bit. So lock in your money, and the re-entry here from the money off down here. I'll just use an ellipse here for the money off here. The re-entry is at the resistance. So we're looking for that resistance ceiling, and I'll just bring this over just a little bit. So we had talked about your resistance ceiling here in yellow, in red, and now in blue. Okay, so resistance ceiling drop, drop, drop. Our 1994 target reached. And on the left here, we have 1992.12 gets rounded to 1992 even. Nice target, right? Right here, 92 even. So beautiful targets. Let's see if we can hang in there. So we just wanted to come back and take a quick look at this before we finish the recording. So on the left here, about 4 o'clock a.m., we have a 127.2% target at 1992.12, and that gets rounded to 1992, and that becomes a wonderful target for this morning. So all those that traded this and held on to this, that you put your money in that market and then back in at the resistance area, you have done a fine job this morning. Congratulations, and tap yourself on the back. Job well done. Till next time, trade well, my friends.